In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Linktree to sell products. We're going to set up a clean, shoppable experience right inside your Linktree so people can browse and buy without hunting around. I'll walk you through creating a product collection, adding items, and knowing where your products live so you can manage them confidently. First, open your Linktree and head to your dashboard. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account. This is home base for everything you'll build and manage. From here, look to the left-hand menu and choose Shop. This is the area dedicated to your storefront elements, and it's where you'll organize what visitors see when they tap your bio link. Inside Shop, click Add. You'll see options for what you can create. Choose Collection. A collection is a curated group of products that appear together on your Linktree, perfect for themes like new arrivals, bestsellers, or a limited time drop. Keeping products grouped helps visitors make quick decisions, which can boost conversions. Next, give your collection a clear, concise title. Aim for something that sets expectations at a glance, like Summer Essentials or Starter Kit. Keep it short so it looks great on mobile, and use consistent naming if you plan to create multiple collections later. Click Continue to create the collection space. You'll land on a screen where you can add products. Click the plus sign to start selecting items. Think about what's most relevant to your audience and lead with strong performers or seasonal picks. A tight set of well-chosen items can outperform a long, overwhelming list, so be intentional with what you include. Once you've chosen your items, click Save. Saving locks in your choices and gets the collection ready to appear on your Linktree. If you already have other links or collections, remember that the order on your page influences what people tap first, so plan to keep this collection near the top of your layout for maximum visibility. Finally, click My Products. This is your centralized place to view the products available for your collections. It's helpful for quick checks on what you have ready to feature and makes it easy to stay consistent across titles and thumbnails. Clean, high-contrast images and straightforward product names typically earn more taps, so keep presentation in mind as you manage your catalog here. That's it. You've opened Linktree, navigated to Shop, created a collection, added products, saved your changes, and located your product library. You're now set up to showcase and sell right from your link in bio. Thanks for watching and happy selling.